Crude oil, now we are based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on the daily chart, we want to see whether we will get the correction for the continuation, the price to move up and at least to break this high, or still we are within this correction and relative to this for the next move down. Alright, that means we have both option. All depends on what we will get here and how we can trade it. Anyway, in this case we move to forward chart. Alright, now based on forward chart, the question is whether we can put this one as in relative to this as a correction for the next move up, and if yes, then how this one form, whether this correction is finished and now this is the start of the up move and this is the correction. That means we can expect the price from here can move and break this high and come to this high, or this one is a correction in relative to this. That means we can expect the price drop one more, then this one become a correction, bigger correction. From there we get the up move. That means we will have both of the possibility. Okay, that's why we want to know how we can trade it, whether the price from here can move up or can drop, or it can start to correct before drop, how it can. Anyway, we don't have we will have both options. Now the question is how we can trade it. In this case we move to 1 hour chart. All right, first we talk about the buy. Okay, as we say, we are not sure how deep this one can go. All right, first of all, if we want to look for buy, how we can do it. From what we have right now, I don't think so we can wait for the breakout. Okay, from what we have right now, if we want to trade for the breakout, it's better we wait the price correct some more. Then if we get any breakout, we take the trade. Okay, at least we can wait for the breakout correction for the buy. All right, that means if we want to look for the breakout, we need to price drop some more in terms of the corrective before we take the buy. But how about if the price from here start to move up? Then at that times we let the price drop again. How high it can go, whether come to this level or not, let the price drop, then from there we take the buy. That means we don't buy within this range. Okay, in this if you want to look for buy any of this option, we need to look into it. All right, that's mean from what we have right now, we won't trade the breakout of what we have right now. If we want to trade the breakout, we need to wait and price correct some more, or let the price move up, we get the correction. Okay, if you want to look for buy any of this option, we can follow any of this option. It depends which one we get. All right, and how about because we have both option, whether the price from here can move up or drop, come to this level before we take the price move, reverse. All right, first of all, again, if you want to trade the buy, the first target will be this high. All right, how about the sell? Do we need to look for sell? Also, how about this? Because usually we say the breakout, we get the correction, we can trade for sell. It depends. It depends on the traders. If the price start to correct similar to what I'm drawing here, all right, it depends on them whether they want to take the sell or not. But if this one start to continue and come to this high, then at that time we don't need to look for sell. Or if you want to look for sell, we need to see the entire correction. Okay, again, it depends on them. All right, anyway, we just wait, we will see what we will get here before we take the trade. And if the price start to correct similar to what I'm drawing here, we are not going to look for sell, we will look for buy. All right, the only times we can look for sell within this correction based on lower time frame, if we get a small correction here and we can have entry below this, and what we expect the sharp move down. Rather than that, I don't think we can have any other option to trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The only thing is we need to wait, we see what we will get here before we take the trade setup. And mostly if we get the buy, it can give us a easier trade, but we are not sure which one we will get, because we will have we will have both option, whether this is a correction for the up move or we should wait the price to drop before we get the up move. And if you get the sell from this correction, as long as the price come to this level, you need to start to manage it. All right. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart and we see how we can trade it. And in any case, if we get the buy when the price come to this high, we need to start to manage. I mean, within this correction. But if we get the sell as well here. All right. And we don't have any more information. We just follow the chart. And if I see any update, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.